My name is Raquel Alvarado. I just finished my 5th year in an honors degree of political studies with a minor in women and gender studies. I'll be convocating in June and going on to Ottawa to complete a master's degree.
And why political studies?
I fell in love with political studies after my first introduction to political theory class. I just really loved being encouraged to think critically in a way that we hadn't ever been before, and understanding all these new ways of making sense of the world really appealed to me.
What excites you about your classes?
What I really enjoy about political studies is that you're really encouraged to learn about other disciplines and bring it into your approach with the studies as well. So when I was taking my, for example, more legal political studies classes, I was incorporating knowledge from women and gender studies and philosophy. So I was really getting a deeper understanding, and it was also making me really excited to keep learning, and that's why I'm choosing to do a master's degree in legal studies. What I also really like about political studies is that it's a constantly changing discipline. So as soon as you kind of think you have a grasp on it, there's a million new ways of understanding the theories that are going on around you.
What advice would you give to prospective students?
I would say understand why you want to do political studies. Like I said, having a really good grasp about how our government works and how power structures work is really important, but I think sometimes we can be a little bit more interested in the idea of how to keep things going the way they are, rather than maybe understanding how we fit into that space. So what I really liked about political studies was being around students who were passionate about what they were learning about, and who were frankly just getting really agitated by some of the material. And that's how it should be when you're in a discipline that's constantly encouraging you to think critically and telling you, you know, all the things that are going wrong in the world, but also all the things that that theory plays a role in changing those things. So I think to anyone who's thinking about doing a political studies degree, just understand your motivations for doing it, and also just be prepared for the space that you're going to be in that it is a challenging program. It takes its toll, but it's so exciting, and it's so important to understand.
What do you like most about the political studies department?
One of the things that I really am so grateful to the department for is the mentorship that was available. I met so many incredible professors who were so encouraging. For example, Dr. Colleen Bell, who was just super encouraging from the viewpoint of, as a woman in political studies, what that means, because it is such a male-dominated department. There was also quite a few professors that found job opportunities for me because I took the time to meet with them, introduce myself, get to know them. And now I'm currently doing research for one professor. Another professor helped me with setting up a job for the summer. So it really pays off to get to know these teachers, because they're so kind and encouraging and just really want the best for their students. My name is Raquel Alvarado. I am a recent graduate of the Political Studies department. I have an honors degree and a minor in women and gender studies as well.